Hello, it's your girl LaQuoya. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel for whatever reason that you did. I know that I haven't given you any reason to come back because I haven't posted a video, and I have a very good explanation why. So in November 2017, I suffered heat damage, which was shortly after I started this YouTube channel. Well, February of 2018, I told my cousin to cut it off because I just couldn't deal with it. I had never had heat damage before. My hair wasn't as thick as it is now, but I had never had heat damage, so I didn't know how to deal with it. And so I told her to cut it off. Well, between February 2018 and now September of 2019, my hair has grown a lot. As you can see, my back was less than an inch long, and I'll insert a picture here so that you can see how short it was. Basically, all I'm doing right now in this video is just showing you what I do on wash day, because people always ask me, what do you do to your hair? What do you put in your hair? Well, I always wash with, no, I don't always wash with, I'm going to tell a lie. Right now I'm using Shea Moisture and Design Essentials, but I always use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, which I posted a picture of for my leave-in, and I always use the heavy cream that I posted for my cream. And then I use the oil, the Wild Growth hair oil in the yellow bottle as my oil. So I follow the LCO method. Something else that I do is I comb my hair with a fine tooth comb after I detangle it, because my hair used to tangle at the ends. And let me just stop to say, I know my part is crooked. Okay. So I went back and I fixed it after the video, but there was nothing I can do about that part. Anyway, like I was saying, I follow a very strict method every time I wash my hair, whether it's a co-wash or a regular wash with deep conditioner. I always make sure I go section by section and I comb my hair. All I'm doing now is a protective style, just to be able to manage my hair for the week. I appreciate you all for stopping by my channel. Let me know what you think about this tutorial, about this hairstyle. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me how you really feel. I'll be posting more videos soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.